How to fix this app can't run on your PC error on Windows 10. Here are some methods that would help you fix this app can't run on your PC error on Windows 10. Method 1, create a new administrator account. Method 2, activate app side loading feature, enable side load apps under use developer features section. Method 3, a copy of the .exe file of the apps that you are trying to open. Or re-download the setup from the official website. Method 4, up. Windows Store. Method 5, disable. Smart Screen. Method 6, ensure you have downloaded the right version of the app. Moreover, check the options of Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and Run this program as an administrator. Method 7, disable. The shell integration of daemon tools via shell extension manager at https://www.nearsoft.net/util/gxview.html, search and find select daemon shell ext drive class, daemon shell ext image class, and image catalog.